partnership with FICCI Tamil Nadu and FICCI Gujarat, Department of Science, Technology and IT of Government of Gujarat has organized this roadshow at Chennai. And partnering in this roadshow are also Gift City and Million City from Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. This is supposed to be one of the first roadshows by DST, especially so much deep in South. This has been a very good, very interactive session, and we are actually very much delighted by the participation, the quality of participation. Actually, we would like to sensitize the deep South out here about the opportunities that is opening up in Gujarat. Gujarat is synergizing its growth strategy with Government of India, and we are looking at the vision of Viksit Bharat that has been given by Honorable Prime Minister as Viksit Bharat through Viksit Gujarat. And for that, the emerging technologies form very important part of this strategy. In this regard, the forefront is taken by IT/ITES policy. We have a framework of policies, especially in emerging technologies. So we have a biotechnology, we have electronics policy. Gujarat is the first state to come out with semiconductor policy. We are coming out, we are going to announce very soon space tech technology, science, technology and innovation policy. However, these all policies will have a big foundation with IT/ITES policy setting the tone. It's very important. We are seeing that even in manufacturing aspect, we are seeing in electronics, semiconductor, even biotechnology. Now, Industry 4.0 and 5.0 plays a very important role, and we need to take it forward. And here where IT/ITES policy provides the foundation. Now it is spanning across the sector, and with AI, quantum computing, IoT, Industry 5.0, it is all the more important. So Government of Gujarat has come out with a very proactive and very aggressive policy. The policy offers capital expenditure assistance, also in operational expenditure, especially more support has been given for internet, bandwidth and cloud services. Now we are not stopping at that, but the overall facilitative kind of infrastructure like data center, research and development center, design center, they are also given a huge impetus under the policy. In addition, startup is going to be very important, and therefore an end-to-end support for the entire startup space, starting from incubation to aggregator to VC funds and startups at various levels. They all are given the kind of support that is required at the particular stage they are at. So this is a comprehensive policy, and we are not stopping only at policy or by offering fiscal incentive. We have worked towards setting up state-of-the-art global quality infrastructure in terms of Gift City, also in terms of the IT city set up by private sector like Ganesh Housing. A number of IT parks are already set up, and many of them are in pipeline, not only in cities like Ahmedabad but also tier 2 cities like Rajkot, Baroda and number of other cities. Another very important part is we are also focusing on capacity building. We have a huge pool of engineers and IT professionals. We are further enhancing their capabilities, especially in futuristic technology, by rolling out capacity building program to train about 25,000 students and IT professionals already in the job in next 3 to 5 years. So these are the strategies that we have put in place, and we are putting a lot of focus on creating an IT pool, promoting research and development by setting up science and technology cluster in and around Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, also around Baroda and Surat. So we invite